of you all, my fellow alumni. It had defined the purpose of coming back to our alma mater. It is indeed a not so easy task for us all what the 4 years have brought us to being a member of the Grand Alumni Council. GAC is not me or I. GAC is us, all alumni. No matter what your status in life is, all of us made a contribution in many ways, be it even only on our precious time attending meetings. That's what you call interest and support. In God's grace, what He led us to do now and what is happening right now is the fruit of all the blessings. I am happy that we have been all united to give it back to Him. My heart is full of gratitude being the GAC president for 4 years, and all my mistakes I thought I had in my school days now serve a purpose. Not a shame but contentment. Not an illusion but a reality. I can never forget what made me change. The mission and vision of giving a sincere help to our school rather than go shopping. It made me a better person by doing the task entrusted to me. Perform diligently and reach out to those whom I thought was even harder to reach. I knocked on every alumni, be it personal, on Facebook, on Gmail, on Yahoo, and all the public network, here and all over the world. Technology is indeed powerful. One good thing is, out of hundreds of thousands graduates from 1962 to 2013, there are 2,300 respondents. Palakpakan natin sarili natin. Thank you. To my plea and join the GAC, I feel blessed that we did not only believe in the mission and vision of our council, but our faith had blessed us to give by the best we could. And without all of you, my dear fellow alumni, life would have been difficult. You all made it easier to GAC to pursue the dream of helping our school. And with that, I would like to make mention the following people who were inspired in giving their unending support to make things happen. To my fellow officers, may I have you here with me to share this moment. The Grand Alumni Council officers of 2009-2013, may I call on Mr. Enver Campo, Internal Vice President, Batch 1995. Mr. Felizardo Molina, Vice President External, Batch 1978. Ms. Bing Tatel, Batch 88, Secretary. Ms. Percy De La Cruz, Attorney Percy De La Cruz of Batch 94, Assistant Secretary. Ms. Jenny Ortiz, Treasurer, Batch 2007. Mr. Cornball Denor, Batch 95, Assistant Treasurer. Mr. Eric Aguilera, Batch 1982, Assistant Business Manager, and our PRO, 1 year absent, Mr. Neil Soleta of Boots 2006. And of course, our very own Ms. Milet Alcala, our advisor. Please join us here. Ms. Milet, thank you. GAC officers, Ma'am Milet Alcala, department heads, our teachers of all, of course, and the teachers who are serving now here, the students, the Gawad Alumni Awardees headed by the Sabulao Sisters. May I call on Ms. Dayan Sabulao, is she here? Batch 2010. Okay, the Sabulao Sisters are the Gawad Alumni Awardees valedictorian from 2011 and 12. Regardless of what you have done, I am grateful to have met most of you. You are all indeed close to my heart. Because of what we believe, there may be some who thought that I've been a nuisance to their lives because of our differences, because we didn't have the same wisdom or principles as it may be. My salute to you all. Though along the way, it was not easy all when we tried to do things and difficulties came no matter even if we know that we are doing the right thing. I tell you honestly, I cried so many tears, being hurt for so many reasons, fighting for the right of GAC. Some of you may have known the reasons, and some of you may have known the causes with me, opted to bear the circumstances and leave everything above to deal with it, as we don't want to mess the celebration of this event. It is not enough that alumni is always one and united. It is not enough. It is enough that alumni is always one and united. But I tell you, I'm really thankful to all the pretentious elements around. For this is not stop GAC from doing what is best for the school. This is that stop GAC to believe and fight for what is right. In fact, your pretensions was an inspiration. GAC is stronger than ever. GAC only believe what is important. GAC perform and perform well for that matter. GAC is not here to save humanity, but to serve and to honor Carlos Albert High School, its teachers and students. GAC was not created to gain recognition, but instead gain support and respect as alumni of our alma mater. To my outgoing co-officers, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I cannot say anymore from what you have shared, good or bad. Everything to me is a success. For we are one. I thank you for all because you have been a part of my life for a great purpose. Thank you for all the sharing, what you have, for sharing all the expertise in your own right. Ms. Milet Alcala, Sir Amber Campo, thank you. I will cherish all the times we have. Thank you for the wisdom and encouragement. And to the new elected officers, headed by Salina Balicanto of Batch 18, good luck to you all. There is so much to look forward to. GAC support and recognition to our alma mater is the seed that's planted and now grown. You just have to continue and nurture it to keep it alive. I am confident of the continued success of GAC with you all to lead. Bear in your hearts and in your mind that no one is above us except the one who made us. Bear in your hearts and in your mind to reach out, respect and protect the law of God. For when you serve people, you serve God. Don't use the blessings God gave you to lead GAC for own recognition, but instead use it to honor God. To all the committee who made this event possible, I want to thank you all. Batch 1990, Batch 1981, Batch 1983, Batch 1995, Batch 1980, all of you. I may not be able to mention now, but I thank you all so much for all the effort. Batch 72 especially. I love you guys so much. Sige, isa-isa ko na. Batch 62, 67, 68, 72, 74, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 88, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 2008, 2004, 2003, 2003, 2006, and 1998. Thank you all so much. And our very own honorary member, Mayor Mon Elaga of Batch 76, Sister Marilu Ramos, Mother Superior of Santa Clara Monastery, Batch 74, the ones who came all the way from all parts of the world to leave their work and families behind, like Miss Anna here. She came all the way for this event. And Miss Jennifer of Batch 80. She came all the way from Austria. Those who were not able to make it but helped this event to be possible, to the likes of Miss Acela Lapak Tester of Batch 74, Sol Molina and Teresa Postales Modig of Batch 74. Madami sa ating mga alumni ang mga bigatin, and I'm proud to say na sa pag-prepare ng event na ito, marami sa kanila ang aming natagpuan sa pananaliksik at tulong ng mga tao upang mahanap at matagpuan natin silang lahat. Imagine from 1962, natagpuan po natin isa-isa yung mga ating alumni. Kung noong una hindi kilala ang Galas High School, ngayon matakas sila dahil ang alumni 16th Sanitary Board. Diba, sir? May mga teachers tayo abroad, expert in foreign language, hindi lang Bisaya o Ilocano, meron din mga OFWs, mga engineers, may mga doktor din tayo, di lang nurses, at di lang yung meron pa tayong mga housewife, may husband pa. Saan ka pa? Dito ka na sa Carlos Albert. Ito ang paralan ng mga bigatin. And the students who participated also, Alisa May Reyes, thank you for that wonderful information number. And Clarissa Biba, J.M. Karasik, and Molina Pariliso, all the students, now Carlos Albert, thank you so much. Hindi ko po sila pinili ang section nila o ang year nila. Pinagpaalam ko po sa mga nanila because of their expertise in our celebration that we needed them here. Okay? That's for the record. Thank you also very much. Sana sa ika-100 taon ng ating Founding Day celebration, magkita-kita tayo muli. Last but not least, I want to thank my family, my greatest supporters in so many ways. Thank you for all the understanding and patience, especially using the resources we have. I thank my husband for his enormous packet, support. To my daughter, Catrice, thank you for helping me and sharing your confidence and giving ideas to promote long-term projects for DAC to focus on. To my brother Arman, bus 75, my sister Grace, bus 84, and sports and lead my family. Of course, I will not forget my batch. Batch 79, I won't be here without you. You have made me part of what I am now. From the time we were in high school up to this very moment, standing here. My apologies for my shortcomings. I just did what I have to do. You put me here, remember? But sure thing is, our effort justified and fulfilled what we have started even before DAC was created. Bida ka, batch 79. Thank you all. God bless.
The internal officers, the school would like to give a plaque of appreciation to the officers of the Grand Alumni Council 2009 to 2013 in grateful recognition of the time, talent, and treasure extended which rendered in the betterment of the new crop of the Albertans and of the school community as a whole. Given this Sunday of October 2013, during the 50th founding anniversary of Carlos L. Albert High School, Quezon City, Philippines, signed Carmelita Alcala, JC Advisor, Agapito Lara, PhD, Principal.
Public Relations Officer, Erickson Aguilar. Assistant Business Manager, Grace Nalugor Mundo. Business Manager, Neil Solana. At ang auditor po sa Marlon Season. At ang ating Assistant Treasurer, Cornelio Valdemor. Treasurer po si Jen Ortiz. Assistant Secretary si Attorney Perseveranda de la Cruz. At walang iba, ang ating pong President
you. And PRO, Mr. Joselido Santos of Batch 79. Truly, your new president, Sally Balicanto.
At this point, may we call on Mayor Ron Laban to please lead the incoming officers.
Students of the Alumni Council of Carlos Alvin High School, please raise your right hand. And please repeat after me for the alumni oath. I, please state your name. As an alumnus of Carlos L. Albert High School, do solemnly swear to uphold the Constitution and bylaws of the Carlos Albert High School Grand Alumni Council, to commit myself to serve, protect, and provide moral, intellectual, and generous financial support. I'll repeat, and generous financial support. And will encourage others to attend my alma mater and thus to contribute to the perpetuation of the noble work of Carlos and Albert High School, Grand Alumni Council as one exceptional organization. So help me God. My dear members of the Alumni Association, please give them a big round of applause and congratulations.
Please stay on stage. Please stay on stage, newly elected officers, newly elected officers. May I call on the outgoing batch of officers for the turnover ceremony. From Miss Arlie Balomer to Miss Sally Balicanta Magano. Congratulations!
Di ko alam kung masaya ako. Naiiyak. Okay. Honorable Ramon Ilagan, former Cainta Mayor, Carlos Albert High School Principal, Dr. Agapito Lera, former Carlos Albert High School Principals, Dr. Sally Barcelona, and Mr. Alfred De La Cruz, our former and beloved teachers who are here tonight, the present teachers of Carlos Albert, the Grand Alumni Council officers, fellow alumni, my batchmates 18, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I now have the honor to officially accept my duties as President of the Grand Alumni Council of Carlos Albert High School for year 2014. The task indeed poses undoubtedly a great challenge. It is a huge responsibility to be given the mandate and trust. It took me a while to decide or to accept this GAC presidency. The hesitancy is because of busy schedule in the office, with the family, and in the different organizations where I am also a member and an officer. But the incessant calls and the promise of unfailing support from the fellow batchmates, thank you Father Raul Gabunto, and my batch 18, and some encouraging words from some alumni, and the personal belief that as well
At this point, I'd like to congratulate our current officers, led of course by no other than Miss Arlene Alhambra Butterworth, for doing a great job, for organizing this big event. I think she deserves a big round of applause. Thank you very much, Arlene. Together, let's make that difference in GAC. God bless GAC and Carlos Albert, and thank you and have a wonderful evening. Oh, my batch 80, sabi nyo, tatanggapin ko itong position na to with your support. And so with the batch 79.
And I hope this will not be the last time that we're going to see one another, especially Miss Anna.
Yes, definitely after that. And I hope, ngayon, catch up kayo sa mga kaibigan ninyo, katulad ko, kasi 2 years na lang ako sa Canada sa Albert, plus Franco, but I really take time na makakulit sa mga batch ko. And I'm really building my bonding with them. And I hope
Iwa mo'y iingatan, maging yaman at gabay. Carlos Albert, dangal ka ng lahing Pilipino. Ngalan mo'y sisigaw, sa puso ay laging buhay. Carlos Albert, dangal ka. Diwa mo'y iingatan, sa puso ay laging buhay.
Thank you, congratulations everybody,
and good night.
and good night. Thank you, Miss